So very good evening, everyone. Today we will be discussing on a very interesting topic, and this topic is not uh, unknown to you. This is a very common topic. So in your college days in BSc or MSc, you have learned about the biochemistry, physiology, and anatomy. So you know, without these three subjects, it is quite impossible for us to continue nutrition. So in our clinical practice, I have understand that biochemistry plays a very important role, and we have to continue with biochemistry only. So can anyone, before we go to the introduction of madam, can anyone just unmute and say that do you find any relation of biochemistry in our clinical practice or dietary practice, or the students who are doing your internships? So can you just yes, Annesha, requesting you to give a example.
Of course, sir. Without knowing the biochemistry, we can't suggest a patient what kind of diet should be given. For kidney patient, we have to look after all the biochemical parameters. Then only we can decide which food to give or which we have to restrict. And many other examples can be given, like in diabetes, which nutrients are has to be restricted in have to be given in certain amounts.
Yes.
Just like it's all depending upon biochemistry only.
So very interestingly, you have answered that. Anyone else apart from Annesha, Preetha, do you want to answer anything?
Yes, sir. I would like to say that we are studying nutrition, with studying which we are going to make diet charts. But before making diet charts, we cannot move further without consulting the biochemical parameters. And to get that concept clear, I think biochemistry is very important.
Right. So any more answer, Indrani, or anyone else from our students can answer, or those who are the eminent faculties who have joined, can anyone just give any answer? From the refeeding syndrome, Annesha, can you connect the importance of biochemistry?
Yes, sir. In refeeding syndrome, we have to obviously we have to check all the biochemical parameters, if our electrolytes are in balance or not. Then only we can decide upon the calories which has to be given to the patient. Hello.
Hello, I'm dietitian Shushmita Chattopadhyay speaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, though we are practicing since many years, but still we can understand that there is a need of knowledge of being updated in biochemistry, because chemistry and physiology is a basic thing of our subject. So with the practice, with these years, many of us have not touched biochemistry the students they have, because they have just passed out, so they have a fresh knowledge of biochemistry. But with the practice, sometimes we also forget so many things about the biochemistry. But on that day, the feeding syndrome, many of the students cannot reply promptly that carbohydrate metabolism starts. So basic thing has to be brushed up, I think, for number of times to connect with the current things.
I completely agree with you. I need many brush ups for biochemistry. So in our clinical practice, when we are counseling our patient, madam, we can understand that there is the importance of biochemistry. So shortly, we are going to start a bridge course along with our 6-month MNC course. So before that, let us move and have an idea from madam that what are the relation with biochemistry and medical nutrition therapy. So I'm sharing my screen. Just tell me if everything is okay. Yes. So we have with us, we are really privileged to have Bijoya ma'am with us. She is more than 12 years of experience in mostly the academic and the research part. She is MSc in medical biotechnology as well as biochemistry. And she was also the teacher in the Calcutta School of Tropical Medicines. And she was from that same institute. She was the state rank holder, distinction in the master degree. So she was a very good student, as well as she was a very good teacher. Now, currently, she is located in Guwahati, Assam. So we have with us Vijaya ma'am, and in the next 1 hour, we will discuss with her the importance of biochemistry, and this will be an interactive session. So welcome, ma'am, to our fraternity, that is the dietetics and the nutrition fraternity. And also, I should highlight that she is the silver medal awarded by the government and nominated for the Department of Science and Technology Inspire Fellowship. So please continue with your discussion.
Thank you so much, Soumendra. Very good evening to all those who are present here. And I'm really glad that today we all come up together on this platform to have a discussion on such an important, a crucial topic, which many a time it get left behind. And I believe that when you get into the real world, when you get working, right, you start feeling that there was a need, there was a great void which must have been created somehow between the biochemical relations and the core nutrition subject. And with that thought, Soumendra Da has suggested that definitely we should have some seminar like this where we are just able to convey our message that why it is so important that you take this particular subject or you pay attention to this particular subject in order to make your understanding better. So before I move forward with this presentation, I just wanted to ask you that when you talk about nutrition, so what is the most important thing that you should be concerned of? Anyone?
Anyone, please?
Important thing being a nutritionist. What is the most important thing to you?
Diet.
Diet.
Yes,
Okay,
number one,
very
the word
good.
is good.
Fine, diet.
Shinjini?
Nutrients of
Shinjini?
Blood
hello?
parameters.
Okay.
Biochemical parameters.
Nutrients
blood
of
and
the food.
Fine.
nutrients.
Nutrients, right. The subject itself is nutrition, right? Which shows that definitely you have to deal with the nutrients. And when I say nutrients, the nutrients are again what type of substances? Nutrients?
So organic
Carbohydrate,
substances.
protein, fat,
Carbohydrate, fat,
macro, micronutrients.
Okay. So they are carbohydrate, fat, or proteins, maybe vitamins. So as a whole, can I call it as a biomolecule, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
yes. So the nutrients which you deal with, these all are the biomolecules. And as because they are molecules, so they are the chemical entities. So definitely they will follow the basic chemical laws. That is the reality. And that is why if you want to understand that how the diet is going to act on a patient, how that particular food is going to enhance or maybe deteriorate the health of the patient, then first you should be very much aware of the nutrients, the biochemical reactions which they are doing. And with that objective, I move forward with today's topic. So let's first decode this word biochemistry. I am very sure like many of you have already gone through many of the biochemistry books like Leringer, U. Satyanarayana. I'm sure that you must have done, right? That is the general curriculum of your master's and your BSc maybe. So in this subject, you will find that this name has much to say. This particular name, biochemistry, has much to say. Like here you see, bio is a small unit, right? Bio is a small unit, whereas we have included the entire chemistry. And do you know why is it so? It is because the subject is designed like that. Whenever you read or you learn biochemistry, you must understand it with the chemical aspect. If you don't do that, then what is going to happen is you will learn it and you will forget it. But if you have to understand it, to remember it forever and to apply it, then you must understand it from the very basic. And that is possible only when you relate the bio with the chemistry and then only you develop the subject called biochemistry. Do you agree with me on that?
Yes, ma'am. Totally.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, of course.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so I'm really glad that today there are so many people together and you all are here because you believe in this particular thought. So just to emphasize more, I will be taking few more points. So the first one here I have is the theory and the practice. Now what I mean by that, I will be implying, but with the help of an example. So here I have two structures. I hope it's visible. Yes?
ma'am.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
visible.
We can see
Yes.
it.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
What is common in these two structures? Anything you know about the name maybe? Amylose. Yes, and amylopectin. Anything you find common in these two terms?
Amylo.
Amylo.
Name
Amylo.
Okay,
Amylo.
fine, amylo, right. Okay. They both are the two types of starch that you know, right? They are the two types of
Yes,
starch that you know.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will be focusing on the concept of theory and practice. Fine. So like I told you that these are the two major types of starch that you know. So one is the amylose and other is amylopectin, right? Now there is a difference in structure which I believe you all must have learned in your theory, and you know that how the structures look like. Like in case of amylose, you are seeing that
So
this
one
is a straight
is
chain.
present in rice and other is present in wheat. Also, I'm giving
Yes,
it through.
the
So it
concentration.
is very interesting. The diabetes people often ask us that which to use, amylose or rice or wheat, which is good for a diabetic patient. So ma'am will say very important funda which is present in wheat and rice, that is amylose and amylopectin. Okay, yes, Vijay, move on.
Okay. Right. We are just going to that particular point. You cast it right. So basically, amylose and amylopectin, they both are starch, right? And these starch are definitely going to release the glucose. Fine. Now, say for example, you got a patient, a diabetic patient, the most common one I believe which you encounter. So he is asking that whether he should consume more amount of rice or more amount of roti or wheat products. So what do you think?
Any
What should you
answer?
answer? Do you understand the question?
Sir, ma'am, please repeat the question.
Yes, I will. Say for example, you got a diabetic patient, and the patient is asking that whether he should consume more amount of rice or more amount of wheat, like roti or that wheat product.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I
rice.
say?
Yes, sure.
Ma'am, Shinjita,
Yes.
ma'am, amylose is only the carbohydrate portion, but amylopectin is like a carbohydrate with the fiber content. In
Okay.
amylopectin, we found in wheat, especially, and wheat contain the mode of pectin. That is insoluble soluble fiber that helps to bind the insulin. So I think amylopectin is best. I like wheat is
That means you
best.
say wheat is best.
Yes.
Okay. Shinshita, I
Okay,
have a
let's
small thing to ask.
Hmm.
I have just a small query here that you told that amylopectin, it has some content of fiber. Do you think it belongs to fiber? Has it anything to do with fiber, amylopectin?
Right. My question is also same. Anything to
Ma'am,
do with fiber?
can you repeat the question?
Yes, I asked that.
একটু যদি ম্যাম if you say this question in Bengali.
Yes, sure. আমি বললাম যে একটু আগে তুমি যেটা বলছিলে যে amylopectin maybe it contains fiber as because it's the content of wheat, so হতে পারে এটা fiber আছে, that is why it should be provided to the patient, তাই না? That is
Yes,
what you
ma'am.
say. Yes. So I asked that, do you think that there is any relation with this particular molecule and fiber? Is amylopectin a type of fiber? Is it? It's not.
No, ma'am, no.
It's not, right? Pectin is a different entity, right? But we call
Yes.
it as amylopectin due to its structural similarity. It has nothing to do with the fiber.
Okay.
Okay? Right.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So getting back to the point, like amylose and amylopectin, both are starch, fine, but they have a huge structural difference. And what is the difference? Anybody? Whatever is visible here.
Here,
Yes, Pritha.
Amylose is unbranched and amylopectin is branched.
Yeah,
Yes.
very good. Right.
Good. Very good. So, like you see here, that this is a linear structure, maybe I can say, whereas the amylopectin is branched, right? And this particular concept is going to help us find the relation between theory and practice. Now, just focus. What was the theory? The theory is amylose and amylopectin are the two forms of starch. One is linear, one is branched. That you get in all your books, I'm sure. Right?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
yes.
Yes.
Now we are going to apply this theory in practice. Like, just imagine that you have two structures. One is branched, one is elaborate, one is spreading all around, right? Whether the other is linear, the other is pretty more compact. And then in amylose, there is one type of bond. Structure को देखा तो भय पे होना, because these structures are very, very simple, I tell you. Once you learn drawing glucose, you will be able to draw every monosaccharide, every disaccharide, and every polysaccharide. এটা ভীষণ সোজা, খালি স্ট্রাকচার গুলো দেখে এখন ভয় পাবে না. Just tell me that here in amylose there is only one type of linkage that is visible to you. Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Alpha 1,4.
Yes, ma'am. Alpha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Alpha 1,4.
Right. And in amylopectin there are two type of linkages. তো বলো একটা লিংকেজ ভালো না দুটো লিংকেজ ভালো?
দুটো লিঙ্কেজ।
তাহলে এটা তাহলে স্ট্রং হওয়া উচিত।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
তাই
Hmm.
তাই না, তাই না, কেন তাই না? একটা ইয়ে আছে না, একটা প্রভাব আছে না, strength in unity, মানে if there are same type of bonds they are going to be more stable. If there are different types of bonds they are going to be more unstable. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Right. Okay. Are you comfortable in Bengali?
No, ma'am. This portion I have to listen in Bengali. This
Okay, fine.
So,
fine,
what
fine.
conclusion you come
Yes,
now
ma'am.
with? Shinchita, what conclusion now you come with? Go for wheat or go for rice in diabetes? We have not ended this portion, but still I am asking again a choice to you: rice or wheat? Which will be better for a diabetes patient?
Sir,
Yes,
Sir, can I?
no, need to understand from Shinchita. How Shinchita has understood this is very important. How she has understood.
sir,
Do you understand the concept? Yes, you can speak in Bengali.
Okay.
Okay, you continue. Shinchita is not willing to
Fine,
answer
fine.
right
We
now.
will definitely get back. There are many more
Yes.
such questions
Many
to come. We will surely discuss on that. See, like I was telling, that this particular amylopectin is the unstable structure because of its two different linkages, and again the branched structure. Branched ছড়ানো, unstable, linear, একরকমের bonds আছে stable. Now, when this particular molecules are going to get digested, so digest কে করাবে? Who is going to digest them? Enzyme, right?
Amylose, ma'am.
Okay. Amylose, fine. Which means we are talking about the enzyme, right? Now, enzyme যত বেশি জায়গা পাবে, যত বেশি surface area পাবে, it is going to act faster. More area, more surface is provided, more action will be generated by that enzyme. Do you understand this concept?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Can you repeat? Can you
Yes.
please
Can you repeat this part?
Okay. একটা কথা একটু মন দিয়ে শোনো। Enzymes are molecules which digest any other substrate. তাই না? যে কোনো একটা জিনিসকে এনজাইম কি করে? ভাঙে। তাই তো?
Vijay, you
এবার
please
ভাঙার জন্য কি করতে
Yes,
হবে?
ma'am.
Hindi also, Hindi and English, so 100%
Okay,
people
sure.
will understand. Okay.
Right. I will get back to Hindi then. अच्छा, तो अगर हमें कोई बड़ा सा मॉलिक्यूल तोड़ना है, then definitely we have to look for the enzyme. अब एंजाइम जो है कैसे तोड़ेगा मॉलिक्यूल को? एंजाइम मॉलिक्यूल के ऊपर बैठेगा, then only it is going to cut or it is going to break it. It is going to digest it. Isn't that so? For the एंजाइम हैज टू स्प्लिट
Yes,
ओवर
ma'am.
राइट. तो पहले एंजाइम आके उस स्ट्रक्चर के ऊपर टाइटली बाउंड होगा एंड देन ओनली इट इज गोइंग टू ब्रेक इट. सो यू टेल मी दैट आउट ऑफ दीज टू स्ट्रक्चर्स कौन सा ज्यादा बड़ा है, किसमें ज्यादा जल्दी एंजाइम बाइंड हो सकते हैं और उसे तोड़ सकते हैं?
Amylopectin.
Amylopectin, क्योंकि वो
Good.
ब्रांच
That
है.
is what I wanted to express. Yes. So it shows that amylopectin जल्दी टूटेंगे and when they break, what do they release? क्या रिलीज करेंगे amylopectin या amylose टूट के?
Glucose.
Glucose.
Perfect. So they are going to release glucose, but amylopectin बहुत जल्दी रिलीज करेगा, amylose धीरे धीरे रिलीज करेगा. You get my point? Amylopectin
Yes,
जल्दी
ma'am.
रिलीज करेगा,
Very
amylose
nice.
धीरे धीरे रिलीज करेगा. So now tell me, which one do you prefer?
Amylose.
I'm not
जो
saying
straight
that you
chain
have
है,
to.
हाँ, जो
Yes.
स्ट्रेट चेन है वो धीरे धीरे रिलीज कर रहा है कार्बोहाइड्रेट को, whereas जो ব্রাঞ্চ চেন है সিঞ্চিতা, যেটা ব্রাঞ্চ চেন সেটা তাড়াতাড়ি রিলিজ করছে কার্বোহাইড্রেটকে. হ্যাঁ, so now according to this which is good according to the biochemical concept?
Amylose.
Rice
Yes.
rice is still
Rice,
good
ma'am.
than wheat.
Wheat
Yes.
flavour.
Over here, I
and
just want to include
Yes,
for the
please,
diabetic
Sushmita ji.
patient,
Yes,
what we
Yes.
for the diabetic
Yes.
patient, why we prefer atta rather than comparing with rice? Why? This is the logic
For
because
atta
of the psychological concept. Because you know, Indian food, mainly Bengalis, are staple food is rice. Okay, so even if you feel like if you feel that one sabji is tasty, we are more prone to have more rice. Okay, so we cannot have the if you give a patient measured amount, maybe they can cross that amount. That's why we are giving chapati instead of rice. Okay, it means that whenever you are giving chapati, even you need to measure the atta. Number of times we have seen in the diet prescription the 3 chapatis, but we forget to mention the amount of atta. So if you do not mention the amount of atta, you think the sugar will rise more than the patient if he is consuming rice.
Absolutely, Sushmita ma'am.
So with 50 gram of atta, 2 chapatis can be made, 3 chapatis can be made, 1 chapatis can be made. So important is that 50 gram atta or 125 gram atta, 5 chapatis in a day, whatever you are giving the concept. But conceptual wise, you can give both, and the biochemistry wise, you can see the release of carbohydrate. But obviously, in the atta, the dietary fiber is more. We are taking the refined rice that is equivalent to maida, so that's why there are little bit conceptually there are different ideas. But if you see in the concept of biochemistry, this amylose and amylopectin, so you have understood which is better. Okay,
Sir, amount কি সেম থাকবে? Means if we give 50 gram of rice, then 50 gram
Yes.
of roti only.
Exactly,
atta will
একদমই
also be
amount
given.
same থাকবে,
Amount
amount
একদম
চেঞ্জ
same
হবে
থাকবে।
না,
আচ্ছা
অ্যামাউন্ট চেঞ্জ হবে না, অ্যামাউন্ট একই থাকবে। তুমি যদি 50 গ্রাম রাইস দাও লাঞ্চে, তুমি যদি
Yes.
রুটিও দাও 50 গ্রাম আটা রুটি তোমাকে দিতে
Okay.
হবে। রাত্রেও
Thank you.
তাই,
Ma'am,
ডিনারেও তাই। বলো।
50 gram cooked rice নাকি raw weight এর
raw,
হিসাবে?
raw, raw.
আমাদের
Raw weight এর
কনসেপ্টে,
হিসাবে
হ্যাঁ,
না?
আমাদের কনসেপ্টে কিন্তু অনেক সময় পেশেন্ট বলবে এসে, হ্যাঁ, যে আপনি আমাকে একটু কাপের সাইজ বলুন না ম্যাডাম, কাপ। তখন বলতে হবে একদম স্ট্রেট হবে যে আমাদের কনসেপ্টে কোনো কুক রাইসের অ্যামাউন্ট ম্যাডাম আমরা দিতে পারি না, কারণ আপনার বাড়ির কাপ আলাদা, আমার বাড়ির কাপ মেজারমেন্টে আলাদা, আপনার বাড়ির রাইস আলাদা, আমার বাড়ির রাইস আলাদা, সুতরাং রাইসের কোয়ালিটি আলাদা। হ্যাঁ, কোনো রাইস জেনারেলি দেখা যায় কি জানো, তুমি যদি 50 গ্রাম র রাইস তুমি যদি কুক করো না, জেন্টাল প্রপার রাইস, নর্মাল রাইস, সেটা মোটামুটি 3 ডবল হয়। বুঝতে পারছো? মানে 50 গ্রামকে অ্যাটলিস্ট 130-140 গ্রাম আমরা
130 to 150।
হ্যাঁ, আবার কিছু রাইস হয় সেটা আবার আরো বাড়ে। তাহলে এইভাবে তো আমরা বলতে পারবো না যে তুমি কতটা কুক রাইসের অ্যামাউন্ট, তোমাকে বলতে হবে 50 গ্রাম রাইস। আর লং গ্রেন বাসমতি রাইসেও দেখা যায় যে অ্যামাইলোজের ভাগটা আরেকটু বেশি থাকে, সেই জন্য ডায়াবেটিক পেশেন্টদের আমরা অনেক সময় লং গ্রেন বাসমতি রাইসের কথাও বলি। ঠিক আছে, যদি সে অ্যাভেল করতে পারে, তার একটা ইকোনমিক্যাল অ্যাভেলেবিলিটিটাও তো আমাদের দেখতে হয়, সেটার জন্য আমরা
Yes,
কিন্তু
ma'am.
বলি।
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so move on. Otherwise, there will be lots and lots of interesting things. So in the first phase, I am finding it very interesting, Vijaya ma'am. So let's move on to the
Right.
next
Right,
phase.
and definitely, Kishmita ma'am is very true. That
Yes,
in
for
long range
adding
rice, there are
value.
going to be more content of amylo
Basmati.
in long range rice.
Yes.
Right. Yes.
Yes.
So this
That's why
particular
long grain
point.
rice are more preferred, Sushmita Di. For that, long grain rice are more preferred than short grain
Right.
rice, right?
Yes.
Exactly.
Okay. Thank you, Didi.
Okay.
Continue,
So
please.
this is what I just tried to imply, that how the theory gets related to the practice, right? So it's not that you know the theory, that's not enough. You need to find that how it's going to work while you practice. That is one thing. Now the reverse is also true. Sometimes it happens ki kora hoy, bola hoy, but the theory we don't know. It happens many a times that we do it while we practice it, but we don't know the theory behind it. Like, I will give you one more example, that is exercise. Right? Say for example, at a diabetic patient telo dharo, right? So what do you think, that person should do exercise or not?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely yes.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
but why
Yes, ma'am.
Why yes?
How exercise helps for a diabetes patient? Just
That
give a simple.
yes, ma'am. Anish.
Yes.
Exercise helps to improve the insulin sensitivity.
How? How it's going to help?
It takes
helps-
glucose for energy.
Yes.
Saya, ma'am.
Okay, I will just give you few clues so that you can get the right point. Fine. So say for example, a person is doing exercise. Okay. So tell me that which cells are going to burn more energy or require more energy? Which cells? While you do
It's
exercise.
muscle cells. Physical exercise.
Okay, very good. Muscle cells, right? So let me just draw a muscle cell for you. Okay, so this is a muscle cell which is working hard, and now it needs energy to do the work, and the energy will be provided by whom? By the glucose. Correct?
Yes.
Now
Yes,
I
ma'am.
want to know how this glucose enters into this muscle cell.
With the help of insulin.
ইনসুলিন কি গ্লুকোজটাকে ধরে নিয়ে যাবে সেলের ভেতরে?
Sodium.
সোডিয়াম নিয়ে যাবে? সোডিয়াম গ্লুকোজটাকে ধরে নিয়ে যাবে ভেতরে?
Ma'am, it's actually stored in muscle cell as glycogen
সে তো স্টোর হবে পরে, ভেতরে ঢুকছে কি করে আমি আসছি?
through blood.
আহা,
Insulin
ব্লাড
binds with the glucose.
See, this is the lacking which I want to focus. Sodium is true. Sodium helps body, but sodium is the iron. It helps, it facilitates. It does not allow, it does not carry the glucose into the cell. The answer will be, তোমরা সবাই জানো কিন্তু।
Receptor, ma'am.
Glute.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Glute. Yes.
Glute. What is it? Glucose? Glucose? বলো, transporters. It is glucose transporters. রকমের গ্লুকোজ ট্রান্সপোর্টার হয়? রকমের হয়?
Glute
হ্যাঁ?
4, glute
Glute 3, glute 1, glute 2, glute 4.
আর হয় না?
Glute 6 হয়, ma'am. Glute.
Glute 5 is used for transportation of fructose. Glute 4 is located in the muscle cell. If the muscle cell has to get the glucose, then it has to pass through this glute 4. Right? So glute 4 are the small protein transport structures which allow the entry of glucose. তাহলে গ্লুকোজটা কি করে ভেতরে ঢুকলো? How the glucose will enter the cell? Yes.
With the help of
glute 4.
Glute 4 protein.
Yes, through the glucose transporter. The glucose enters into the cell through the glucose transporter. Fine?
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Now tell me the action of insulin. Insulin acts on whom? Insulin acts on glucose or insulin acts on glucose transporter?
Glute.
Glucose transporter. Yes.
Glucose
Transporters.
Yeah. The glucose transporter has gates. They are channels. Channels গুলোকে open করে so that the glucose can enter. The glucose টা ভেতরে ঢুকতে পারে. That is what? Isn't it?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So, this is the
Yes, ma'am.
basic concept. This is the basic concept. Please understand. We are discussing the relation of practice and theory. Practice is exercise korte hobe. You need to do exercise. We are learning the theory. So the theory says that the glucose enters into a cell with the help of glucose transporter. In muscle cells, it is glucose transporter 4. Fine? Now, when you do exercise, your muscle cells get triggered. How do they get triggered? Whenever you work hard, whenever your cells are working hard, then suddenly there will be a drop in glucose concentration. Beshi kaজ করছে, বেশি খাচ্ছে, glucose amount fall হচ্ছে, glucose amount কমছে সেলের ভেতরে, right? Now,
Yes.
at this particular point, there will be a transcriptional activation. Transcriptional activation কি একটু বলবে আমাকে? Transcriptional activation. Transcription
Anyone
মানে?
from outside West Bengal also can try. Vidha,
Okay, I will
Rajesh.
just repeat this question in English once more in case you don't understand. We were discussing, is there anyone who is having trouble with English? Just let me know. Yes? Just
Hindi is
unmute and just let me
comfortable
know.
with everyone. Hindiটা সবার জন্যই comfortable, I think.
Fine.
হ্যাঁ।
So, I'm just repeating the question once more here. The question is that while you do exercise, how the blood glucose levels are going to get lower. That is the question. ठीक है? The question है कि exercise करने से blood glucose कैसे कम हो रहा है? क्यों exercise करना चाहिए? That is the question. Now, we have learned that the cells, the muscle cells, they allow the entry of the glucose with the help of the protein called glucose transporters. इतना हमने अभी तक पढ़ा, right? Now I am saying that this exercise, the exercise which you do, this exercise, whenever you do random exercise, then there will be a sudden fall in glucose concentration in the muscle cells for which there will be a transcriptional activation. So I just wanted to know the meaning. Just tell me whether you know the meaning of this word transcription or not. If not, then I will explain. Just tell me. Yes or no? Transcription, do you know or not? Anybody? Yes,
Yes,
Shina?
Can you repeat, ma'am?
The meaning of transcription. Bolo?
Transcription is the procedure to form RNA from DNA.
Okay, it is the process where RNAs are formed from DNA. Okay. আর তার ফলে কি হবে? What next can happen?
Next, it's
Next
RNA
transcription হয়, যখন protein formation হয়।
translation.
Okay, good. Very good. So, let me just repeat it once more. Transcription means triggering the DNA to produce RNA so that more protein is produced by the cell. Transcription क्या होता है? Transcription मतलब DNA से RNA बनाओ, RNA से क्या बनाना है हमें? Protein. Fine? Now you see, we have learned that ये जो glucose transporter है, ये क्या है? ये protein molecules है, कहाँ पे है? सेल के ऊपर है. Fine? ग्लूकोज ट्रांसपोर्टर प्रोटीन्स है, सेल के ऊपर है. अब जब एक्सरसाइज हुआ, जब सेल को वहां पे ग्लूकोज डिप्राइवेशन फील हुआ, देन द सेल विल स्टार्ट ट्रांसक्रिप्शनल एक्टिवेशन. वो क्या करेगा? अपना ट्रांसक्रिप्शन बढ़ाएगा मसल सेल. और क्या करेगा? ट्रांसक्रिप्शन बढ़ा के ज्यादा से ज्यादा प्रोटीन्स बनाएगा. इट इज गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस मोर अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोटीन. पर्टिकुलरली विच प्रोटीन the muscle cell will produce? ये प्रोड्यूस करेगा ग्लूकोज ट्रांसपोर्टर 4. यानी कि जब एक्सरसाइज किया तब सेल में सिग्नल जनरेट हुआ. ड्यू टू दैट सिग्नल ट्रांसक्रिप्शन विल बी हाई. ज्यादा ट्रांसक्रिप्शन होगा, ज्यादा ग्लूकोज ट्रांसपोर्टर बनेगा. एंड ऑल द ग्लूकोज ट्रांसपोर्टर्स विल नाउ कम टू द सेल सरफेस. यानी पहले अगर 2 ग्लूकोज ट्रांसपोर्टर्स थे, आफ्टर डूइंग एक्सरसाइज ड्यू टू दिस ट्रांसक्रिप्शनल एक्टिवेशन सेल में बहुत सारे जो है ग्लूकोज ट्रांसपोर्टर सरफेस पे आ जाएंगे. डू वी अंडरस्टैंड दिस?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Very clear, ma'am.
To me. Yes, very
Okay,
clear.
fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, after doing exercise कर लिया, ट्रांसक्रिप्शन हो गया, प्रोटीन्स बन गए, सेल के ऊपर बहुत सारे ग्लूकोज ट्रांसपोर्टर्स आ गए. Now what does glucose transporters will do? Random uptake of glucose, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So if there is random uptake of glucose into the cell from the blood, then what is going to happen to blood glucose level?
will go down.
It will
Yes.
decrease.
It
Ma'am,
will
decrease.
decrease. So do you understand that why the diabetic patients need to do exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful
Yes,
explanation.
ma'am.
Yes,
Wonderful
ma'am.
explanation.
Very clear.
Yes,
Very
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 clear,
clear.
ma'am.
clear.
clear.
One is the last one. Momdi has also joined. So amylopectin was fantastic, and this was also very good.
Okay. So here I just wanted to show that by telling something
That's why they are saying that but that's why exercise is, mainly the muscle exercise, weight
Right.
training or this kind of intense workout is called is called as the insulin sensitizer kind of stuff.
In this way, now we can make the patients also understand the importance of exercise. Very easily, we can make the patient understand in the layman term how the man is explaining. Yes.
So here I just wanted to show that the practice which you are doing, it needs to be related to the theory. Many a times we don't do that. So that is what I was focusing on in my slide, that we have to relate the relation, we have to find the relation between theory and practice so that we can apply it. কাউকে বলবো ডাক্তারকেই বা বলতে হবে, the doctor can immediately ask me, why are you doing this, why are you telling this? Then you must be prepared with your theory, right? So that is why these two things are very important. Now I move to the third point. Like I will just show you that many a times you learn many vital terms. You can say PUFA, polyunsaturated, monounsaturated, omega-6, omega-3, so many terms, all the bulky terms, But many a times we miss the basic. अनेक किसे जानी, we know a lot, but कभी कभी बेसिक ही हमारा मिस हो जाता है, और जब वो बेसिक मिस हो जाता है, then जो चीजें easy है ना, वो hard नजर आती है. The things which are very easy, they suddenly start appearing hard to you. I will just show you how. Yes, like I just want to know.
Video is off, Vijay. Your video
Yes?
is off. Video,
Okay.
your video.
Video?
Yes, sometimes
Okay.
when we
Right.
Yes.
Fine. Yes. So just I was focusing that how the basics can help you to understand things more clearly and more easily, right? So for that also I will be taking one example. But before that I want to know, have you ever heard about electron scavenger? Have you heard this term, electron scavenger?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
heard.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay. So what do they do?
Ma'am, when the free radicals increase, then it helps to reduce the free radicals, and it uses it reduces the oxidation.
Okay, it reduces the oxidation. So what are these free scavengers? Can you name electron scavengers? Can you name few of them? Correct example, two.
Ma'am, vitamin C has reduce of
Vitamin C.
oxidation, like vitamin C.
Acha. Okay. So vitamin C is an electron scavenger. Okay, anything else? Artyo, anybody? Anyone from the we have lot people here, so many people here.
Ma'am, question টা আরেকবার করবেন?
Yes, the question is ki have you ever heard about electron scavenger? এই term টা কি শুনেছো, electron scavenger? আচ্ছা, এবার আমি বলি, antioxidant শুনেছো? Have you heard antioxidant?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. বলতে গিয়ে বললাম না।
हाँ. So who give me the answer for this electron scavenger? Who was the one?
Chinchita.
Yes, Shinchita. Shinchita, can I say electron scavenger as antioxidant?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhapcho, you have to think.
Nowadays,
It is
these are antioxidant, dietitians, and COVID is very much interlinked.
Yes,
People
True.
at any form are trying to take antioxidants and getting rid of this coronavirus. And कोई भी तरीका अपना लेता है, they are not going to the dietitian, nutritionist. They are doing whatever practices at home they can do. They are doing at home, and now everybody is nutritionist. So to increase immunity, everybody is nutritionist. But you have highlighted a very important point, that is antioxidant. Okay,
Right.
yes, carry on.
Yes. Electron scavengers and antioxidants are same thing. They are the same thing. But just see, जब मैंने बोला electron scavengers, most of you were thinking कि कहीं पे सुना है, क्या सुना है, क्या हो सकता है. But while I said antioxidants, you can quickly connect. Okay, I know antioxidants. So why there is this difference? Why there is this difference? This difference is there because maybe you don't have the real concept of antioxidants. So I will just go to that. But before that, I want to know that what is the purpose of antioxidants? Anyone? क्या करता है antioxidants?
Ma'am, can I say? Shinchita.
Yes.
Acha, there is no one present except Shinchita in today's session. Only Shinchita is
अच्छा,
the
Archita wants to say
captain
yes.
of 52.
May I?
Yes.
Again, Annesha. These two
Follow.
people are only answering.
It
Yes, follow.
antioxidants reduces the aging process.
अच्छा, that is the advantage of
Reduce
antioxidants.
Antioxidant reduces the oxidation.
Also reduce the free radicals.
Also reduces the free radicals, so it can
Prevents
control
oxidation
the
and
oxidation
free radicals.
One by one, please.
अच्छा,
help in the
Follow me
immune
here.
system.
okay.
Reduces oxidative stress.
the free
One by one,
radicals.
please. Follow me, then Orpita Das.
Okay.
Follow me
Ma'am,
first, then Orpita Das.
Yes, follow me.
Reduces the free radicals.
Yes, Shatabi.
Reduces the free radicals.
अच्छा, reduces free radicals. Shatabi.
Antioxidant actually captured the free radicals and going through certain mechanism and made them মানে বেঙ্গলিতে
বলো
ফ্রি রেডিক্যালসটাকে ক্যাপচার করে এন্ড সেটাকে মানে সেলফ মানে যেহেতু স্মোকিং এন্ড আদার্স কিছুর জন্য প্রচুর কিছু ফ্রি রেডিক্যালস মানে বডিতে তৈরি হয় যেটা আমাদের জন্য খুব ক্ষতিকারক হয়ে যায় অ্যান্টিঅক্সিডেন্টস এই ফ্রি রেডিক্যালস গুলোকে ক্যাপচার করে এন্ড সেগুলোকে মানে ক্যাপচার করে বলতে একটা মেকানিজম আছে, আমি ভুলে গেছি একটুখানি মেকানিজমটা, পড়েছিলাম বায়োকেমিস্ট্রিতে। তো সেটাকে মানে মানে বডি থেকে ডিসপোজ করে দিতে হেল্প করে অ্যান্টিঅক্সিডেন্ট, মানে যেটা হচ্ছে হ্যাঁ ফ্রি রেডিক্যালসটাকে এক্সপোজ করে মানে বডি থেকে ডিসপোজ করে দিতে হেল্প করে।
তোমরা টার্মস গুলো কিন্তু মনে রেখো, এবার যখন আসবে তখন দেখবে একটা করে মিলিয়ে দেখবে কিন্তু। হ্যাঁ মানে
আমি একটু ভুলে গেছি ম্যাম।
কোনো ব্যাপার না শতাব্দী, ইজ ভেরি গুড দ্যাট ইউ আর কামিং আপ এন্ড ইউ আর সেইং। তুমি যতক্ষণ
শতাব্দী, থ্যাংক ইউ, উই আর লার্নিং অলসো, আমরাও শিখছি, উই আর অল লার্নিং। So I will really appreciate those who are at least answering, unmuting themselves and answering, and those who are not unmuting themselves and not answering.
তো বিএসসি তে পড়েছিলাম বায়োকেমিস্ট্রি অনার্সে, মেকানিজমটা।
কোনো ব্যাপার না, তুমি যে বললে, তুমি যেটুকু তুমি রিকল করলে ওটাই তোমার পাওয়া, এরপরটা তুমি এখান থেকে শুনবে, সেটা তোমার মনে থাকবে, রাইট?
হ্যাঁ শিওর।
ওকে আচ্ছা, so we have learned key antioxidants, they are very good for us, right? They reduce aging, they enhance immunity, and what else do? They remove the free radicals. Acha, and we call them as antioxidants because they stop this process of, or they remove the oxidants, right? So antioxidant why are we calling it an antioxidant? You बोल रहे antioxidant?
Anti, the word anti, why it is calling anti?
Because it prevents the oxidation procedure.
I want to hear from Orpita Das.
ফ্রি রেডিক্যালস এর অক্সিডেশনটাকে যেহেতু স্টপ করে দেয়, দ্যাটস ওয়াই আমরা ওটাকে অ্যান্টিঅক্সিডেন্ট বলছি।
Orpita, add করো কিছু পয়েন্ট।
Okay.
Orpita.
Sir, actually, definitely, ma'am, can I speak in Bengali?
Yes.
ওকে ম্যাম, অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমাদের ফ্রি রেডিক্যালসটা তৈরি হয়, তো ফ্রি রেডিক্যালসটার মেন যে ভয়ানক কারণটা হচ্ছে যে আমাদের অক্সিডেশন প্রসিডিওরটা ফ্রি রেডিক্যালসের জন্যই প্রসিড করে। তো অ্যান্টিটা হচ্ছে প্রতিরোধ, তো অ্যান্টিঅক্সিডেন্টটা যেহেতু ফ্রি রেডিক্যালসটাকে স্কেভেঞ্জ আউট করছে, সো দ্যাট এটা তার সাথে অ্যান্টিঅক্সিডেন্ট প্রসেসটাকেও স্টপ করছে, তো সেই কারণে এটাকে আমরা অ্যান্টিঅক্সিডেন্ট হিসেবেই ধরে নিই।
ফাইন, ঠিক একদম ঠিক। কিন্তু আমি আরেকটা জিনিস জানতে চাই, want to know a very basic thing. We have talked about antioxidants, we have talked about oxidants. I just wanted to know what is oxidation. I want to know what is oxidation. আমি অ্যান্টিঅক্সিডেন্টের স্ট্রাকচারও জানতে চাই না। I don't want to know how free radicals are formed. I just want to know what is oxidation. Yes.
Oxidation is a process when an element loses its electron.
Okay. Loses its electron. That is oxidation. Okay. And who is going to take this electron?
In the reduction process, the elements which accepts those electrons.
Okay. Right.
Mainly the metals are speeds up the oxidation, metal ions.
The one who are going to reduce, they are going to accept the electrons. Right? So,
Reducing agents accepts the electrons.
reducing agent বলছো তুমি। রিডিউসিং এজেন্ট মানে কি, যে অন্যকে রিডাকশন করাচ্ছে,
রিডাকশন করাচ্ছে। হ্যাঁ, তার মানে অক্সিডেশন প্রসেসে
করাচ্ছে। আমরা নিজে কি হচ্ছে, নিজে কি হবে, নিজে রিডিউস হবে,
reduced হবে।
নিজে
रिड्यूस हो जाएगा, खुद रिड्यूस होगा।
We are not looking for reducing agents. We are looking for the one who are reducing themselves and they are oxidizing the others. Those molecules are oxidants. So what are oxidants? The molecules or the structures, the entities which oxidize the others and they reduce themselves. নিজেকে ভরে, নিজে খায় কিন্তু অন্যদের থেকে নেয়। That is a, what is it? That is a oxidant. Right? So I will be just coming to that. And just quickly give me few good examples of antioxidants that you know. One is vitamin C. Then any other vitamin? Any other vitamin?
Vitamin E.
Vitamin E, very good. Vitamin E, okay. And
Polyphenols.
any other gajor? কিছু মনে পড়ছে? Any other?
Polyphenols,
Lycopene.
Carotene,
Vitamin C,
Carotene, very good. Okay.
Retinoid.
Just remember the name.
vitamin C.
Vitamin C, fine. Vitamin C has a very crucial role that I will be explaining if I get time.
Vitamin C.
Okay. So just remember the names. কি বললে? Lycopene, ঠিক আছে? Carotene, vitamin E. Just remember the name. Fine. Now, like you know, if there is this process of oxidation, then there is going to be oxidative stress, which means the normal cells, whenever they are attacked by the free radicals, they are undergoing this oxidative stress or they are getting damaged. Now I want to know that if there is a free radical, let us imagine that we have a free radical and this free radical is going and attacking a cell. So in which part of the cell this free radical will attack? Where it will attack the free radicals? কোথায় ওদের কি লাগবে? What do they need? Free radicals, what do they need? আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, দাঁড়াও আরেকটা স্লাইড দেখি তাহলে। Like Anisha has said just now that the one who is going to oxidize others, কি বলেছিল? Oxidants, what the oxidants? The one who oxidize others, right? What are oxidants? The one who oxidize others, correct? Now,
Yes,
what we have learned, oxidation means release of electrons. So, so the oxidants are the one who are going to take out the electron. Oxidants are the one who are going to take out the electron. So you see here, this is one particular atomic structure where all the electrons in pairs, सबके पास pair है, except इसके पास pair नहीं है, right? And you should
Yes,
know
ma'am.
that.
Yes.
Yes, Pritha?
Yes, ma'am. It's
Right.
clearly understandable.
Fine. So this is the unpaired electron you have, and this unpaired
Yes, ma'am.
electron is going to take electron from somewhere else. In this case, I have shown it as an antioxidant. If अगर antioxidant present है तो antioxidant से लेगा, अगर antioxidant नहीं है body में तो किसी और से लेगा, पर इसे electron चाहिए ही चाहिए, right? So what is going
To gain the stability, it needs the electron.
Yes, it reaches the stability and is highly reactive. That is why.
Yes.
So this particular electron will be accepted, right? And once it is accepted, then only it is going to get satisfied. Now the question is that I say that if there is antioxidant present, then it is definitely going to take the electrons from the antioxidant. Now if there are no antioxidants in the body, then whom they are going to attack? काके attack करबे?
Cells, other cells,
Other cells.
Other cells में
means other molecules.
other healthy cells.
Other
Other molecules.
Other molecules.
Other molecules, okay.
And will
Other
make them
molecules.
free radical.
Yes, follow me, repeat.
They will take they will attack other molecules, and the other molecules will become unpaired, like they will become unstable then.
They will become unstable. That is very true. What I wanted to know is that in which particular part of the cell, what do you think they are going to attack? They need electrons. They are in search of electrons, right? They are hungry for the electrons. So they are going to find a place where there is plenty of electrons, where there is somebody who is rich.
Mitochondria?
বলো?
Is it mitochondria, ma'am?
না না, মাইটোকন্ড্রিয়া একটা বড় অর্গানেল, আমরা অ্যাটমিক লেভেলে
Cell
কথা বলছি।
membrane. Oh.
না না, একটা অ্যাটমিক লেভেলে কথা বলছি আমরা, তাই না? It will go to structures called double bond. One
Yes.
bond contains 2 electrons. এটা একটু ভালো করে মন দিয়ে বুঝতে হবে। Every bond is made up of 2 electrons. ঠিক আছে? Every bond is made up of 2 electrons. Now, when you break the bond, then what happens? The electron is split. Just see this one. This is one particular example I will be showing. So here there are 2 oxygens which are bonded by an electron. How many electrons are there? কটা আছে এখানে electron এই বন্ডে?
দুটো।
কটা থাকবে?
Duto.
Two
Yes,
electrons.
yes. There should be 2 electrons, like I told you. That every bond is going to have 2 electrons. Now, if you break this bond equally, কি করে ভাঙবে? সবথেকে common is UV light, UV radiation. Right? The more exposure to sun, more UV radiation. There are
Yes,
many
ma'am.
more
Yes,
reasons.
ma'am.
I am taking the most common one. UV radiation break a bond into 2 parts. It is going to break the bond. Fine? এবার বলো. There were 2 electrons, right? Now, after the break, what are you going to get here? 1
Two
electron each.
single, 1 electron each.
Yes, one will be there.
And they are unpaired. So, if they are unpaired, what can you call them?
Nascent oxygen.
Nascent oxygen, of course, they're nascent oxygen. Can't I call them as free electrons? Or
Yes,
free
ma'am.
radicals?
Sorry.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
That is what
free
we
radical.
have done, no? So, if they are not in
Yes.
pair, then they are the free radicals. Right?
Mhm.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
So in this case also you get to see the free radicals. So the free radicals are formed in the body, right? Now, if there is antioxidant, well and good, antioxidant is going to fight back this free radical. But if there is no antioxidant, then these free radicals, they attack the structures which have double bond. Can you? Double bond means how many electrons? Double bond means follow.
Four
electrons.
Four electrons.
Which means this is the electron-rich region. This is the electron-rich region.
Rich region.
Yes. So they can easily get electrons from here. এদেরকে ভাঙাটা খুব সোজা। এইজন্য যেখানে যেখানে ডাবল বন্ড পাবে সেখানে সেখানে ভাঙবে। Now tell me, in our cell, in our nucleus, which is the most prone structure which have multiple double and triple hydrogen bonds? Nucleus এর ভেতরে। নিউক্লিয়াসের ভেতরে হাইড্রোজেন বন্ডস থাকে অনেকগুলো।
DNA. It's
DNA.
DNA.
So these free radicals, they find it very easy to bind and attack the DNA and they damage the DNA. And that is how it leads to cancer. Many a times it leads to cancer, many a times it leads to lesions, many a times these electrons, they are damaging any molecular structure where there is a double bond, many a times they damage a vitamin or an enzyme or a coenzyme. যেখানে double bond পাবে সেখানেই ওটাকে নষ্ট করবে, সেটাকে ভাঙবে. Do you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now see that we have learned that if you give this free radical a double bond, अगर इस free radical को double bond मिल जाता है, then it is satisfied, then it is happy, is not going to harm anyone. Yes. If it gets the free radical,
Yes,
if the free radical is getting this particular double bond, then it is happy. Now, we are providing what to the free radicals? What we are providing to the free radicals?
Antioxidant.
Antioxidant.
So what do you think?
And
What
thus
is
DNAs are
antioxidant?
preserved.
Yes.
Thus DNAs are preserved.
The DNAs are preserved, the enzymes are preserved, the molecular structures are preserved, right? So you tell me that what I told you here, what I told you here, free radicals that are double bond, if they get double bond, they are satisfied, they are not going to harm anybody. So tell
So
me.
they are going to take the electron from the antioxidants,
Yes.
not the double bonds.
Yes,
They're,
ma'am.
hence, the double bonds are preserved, or other molecules, the healthy molecules are preserved,
Are preserved.
like
Perfect.
DNA, enzymes. And
Perfect, right. But there is one thing to ponder on. What is that? I say that they are going to attack the double bond. Fine. Now you see the common oxidants. What were the common oxidants? কি কি নাম বলেছিলে মনে করো?
vitamin C, polyphenols,
Vitamin C,
lycopene,
flavonoids, carotenoids.
আচ্ছা, এবার আমাকে
zeaxanthin,
বলো। Now tell me, what is common between lycopene and carotene? What is common in their name?
ene,
Ene means what?
ene, alkene,
Ene means what?
alkene,
Alkene means what?
Double bond.
Double bond. Very
Double
good.
bond.
Alkene means double bond. The word ene, lycopene, carotene, all the ene means the double bond. So we are giving the antioxidants to expose the free radicals to the double bonds which we have in the antioxidants, right? And that is how the antioxidant blocks or they bind with the free radicals.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, now
ma'am.
understood.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Very yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Very clear.
Now there is one more important thing I want you to know. That is lycopene. Is it colorful?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Colorful? Tomato to hai.
Tomato.
Colorful?
Yes.
हाँ.
Yes.
Red.
Carotene, is it
Red
colorful?
color.
Colorful.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
Colorful.
orange.
Why are they colorful?
like
Have you ever
carrot.
thought? Why are they colorful? কেন তারা কালারফুল হতে গেল?
pigments
Why
are
we should
chosen.
have more colors in our plate? কেন আমরা কালারফুল বলে না? The plate should be more colorful. What is
To
this
add
concept of
antioxidants
color?
in the diet. For that, we say we should include a rainbow diet. Means
Yes.
follow rainbow diet. Yeah.
Correct. Correct. The color, it implies that there is more amount of antioxidants. Color দিয়ে আমরা antioxidant চিনতে পারি। কিভাবে চিনবো? Like you see, in both cases, both are colorful. Fine. How they are colorful? They are colorful because this double bond can flip. The double bond can flip as trans and cis bond. Trans bond, cis bond, তোমরা maybe জানো. They flip as trans and cis bond, and that is how they emit the color. So the colors দিয়ে তোমরা দেখতে পাও না, red color and the different peppers, this pepper and that pepper, the colors গুলো দেখো. These colors are due to the flipping of this bond. They radiate an amount of energy in the form of color. Right? So as because they have the bond, they are colorful, and that is why they can also act as antioxidants. Do you understand this?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Yes.
Ma'am,
I
due
will.
to cis and
Ma'am,
trans
please repeat
structure,
it.
we can see the color.
Yes. Follow me.
Ma'am, due to cis and trans, we can see
No.
such colors, red and orange and such.
Color. See. Color is nothing but a wavelength. ঠিক আছে? See, this is just a seminar. I won't be taking so much of time. তাও বলছি, color is nothing but a wavelength. ঠিক আছে? Wavelength is nothing but energy. Energy is obtained from the electron. So when there is an electron, there is a sudden rise in energy. Due to this sudden rise in energy, there is a release of wavelength, and that particular wavelength shows you the color. এই যে কালারফুল যে সবজি আমরা বলি, তারা একটা পার্টিকুলার কালার কেন এমিট করছে? তারা একটা পার্টিকুলার ওয়েভলেন্থ আছে। এন্ড কেন ওদের পার্টিকুলার ওয়েভলেন্থ আছে? কেন কি ওদের মধ্যে ওই অ্যান্টিঅক্সিডেন্টের ফিচার্স গুলো আছে, যারা ডাবল বন্ডটাকে ওরা সুইচ করাচ্ছে, মুভ করাচ্ছে ডিউ টু দোজ ফ্রি ইলেকট্রনস, এন্ড দ্যাট ইজ হাউ দে ক্যান হেল্প দি বডি। Right?
Okay.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, I will just request Dada to arrange a class for antioxidants maybe someday where we can just discuss more about it.
Yes, it is not possible in one day.
Yes.
You will understand everything, and if you are not in touch with biochemistry, it is really difficult for you to understand. Though it is very
Right.
interesting in their understanding, but we will give a concept. Today's session is basically on this 4 point that how we will relate biochemistry with medical
Yes.
therapy. So in this,
So you see the
we cannot give
Yes.
each and every insight of biochemistry. It is a vast subject itself. It is a vast subject. But we'll request the students to go through the particular topic, and we will have sessions. Then we will have some free sessions also for you. I will try to arrange, and obviously there will be classes with Vijaya ma'am. Those who are interested to join that, at the end we will discuss, Vijaya, about the classes. So you can move on with the rest of the
I
part,
will just
because
move
there
forward.
is confusion, and I will really say hats off to the students like Paulami, Annesha, Shinchita, Shinjini, Indrani, whoever, etc., etc., many more, or Pita Dash, and who else she was talking, Shatrupana, who is that? So everybody, those who are interacting, it is really nice for me that when you people are interacting, we are also learning from you many things. So this is very, very important. Okay, you move on, madam. Then
Yes, I will just wind up within a while. I thought of a few points, but maybe some other day we can just do that. So the basic motive was to make you understand the need of biochemistry in your understanding in your subject, that is food science and nutrition. I hope whatever we have discussed till now, it is pretty clear to you that how the basic concepts can help you, I believe, right? Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
totally.
Yes, ma'am.
So now, like Shobha has already told you, Shomita has already told you that we have planned for arranging few classes with the very basic concepts like the carbohydrate metabolism, fat and all. So we have thought that I will be delivering a mind mapping where you will be able to interrelate among the different subjects, that how cell biology is related to biochemistry, how physiology gets related to immunology, right? So there's a huge relation. It's not only about biochemistry, it's about the relation with all the subjects, how genomics is getting changed with the different nutrients that you are feeding. So we have thought of developing such mind maps in the class along with this particular curriculum, and then to develop the interrelation so that a better recapitulation can be done. Like while you read the vitamins, then definitely again you will be recapitulating the proteins and the different lipids while you read vitamins. Similarly, while you read minerals, again you will be recapitulating the entire processes like gluconeogenesis or maybe glycogenesis, right? So that is how the scheme is being thought, that we will be delivering such type of classes to the students. And other than that, there is something which I believe you will like, that is points of interest. Like in this particular class, I have given you 2 or 3 points of interest. One is that rice and roti one, where you can really relate with what you are doing, what you are learning with your real life experiences. Similarly, the other one was like the colorful plate, how the antioxidants, they are colorful, which I could not complete, by the way. So these are the points of interest which I will be giving by the end of every session. Not every session means by the end of every topic. Maybe by the end of metabolism of carbohydrate, we got a class for point of interest. And then we have thought of arranging the individual doubt clearing sessions. So how that session will be conducted, that I will be explaining once you enroll. And moving ahead, in this program, assessment will be done. There are MCQ questions and case-based questions will be given. Like there will be certain questions in which you have to find
if
out
you can
the
put
relation.
your video on, right? You are just giving the brief
Yes,
of the
yes.
class, right? Yes.
Right,
yes.
right.
Okay.
So that is what the
Yes,
assessments are going to involve. The MCQs, they're going to involve the new diet sciences, the new journals, how the basic concepts are now being used in the different sectors. So with that, we will be planning the assessment, so that you do not only learn, but you are able to prepare yourself along with every particular topic. Like that, the assessments will be designed. And the topics which we have thought will be including is carbohydrate, fat, lipid, most important thing. Then amino acid, proteins. Again, I have seen your responses in the Google form. So I got to know that amino acid and fat are something which you all want to know. And vitamins, and most importantly, the inborn metabolic errors. Another very important topic that I believe you will agree. And by the end of this course, we have thought of creating certain interrelation sessions. Interrelation sessions means where we will be discussing about the relation of carbohydrate metabolism with fat metabolism. Again, fat metabolism with the protein metabolism. So like that, you will be able to interrelate. So that is how till now we have we are able to design the class. and we are looking
Very
forward
important last
for
one also.
more
Inborn
enrollment.
error of metabolism. That one
Yes.
also very. Inborn error of metabolism also very interesting topic. We
Yes,
had a
of course.
class with them, but it was not in detail. So we can have this class, and this carbohydrate, especially amino acid and lipids, are very. I am fond of these two things. These all of the topics, very interesting topics. Even the students, I think, enzymes and especially the gastric enzymes, the biochemical parameters like liver enzymes. What is the role of SGOT, SGPT?
Yes, actually here I have not mentioned everything because I've thought of making it a 5-month course. And truly speaking, if I want to go deep into the subject, then 5 months is just not enough. So I
No,
was
5
wanting
months
to
is not enough, and I want to highlight you also that you can also customize few things.
Right.
As the fees is on the basis of class basis. So if
Right.
you do not want something, and if you want customized thing that I want only carbohydrate, amino acid and protein, that can also be done. It will be customized, not mandatory topic each and everything for you. Yes, Tania, kichu bolbe? Tania Kormokar, you raised your hand. Bolo, kono question thakle bolte paro. If you have any question, you can ask. And we will make it as a bridge course with the Cognized Nutrition 6-month MNT course, because we require these things. And obviously few topics I will add Bijaya ma'am in my course also to discuss few topics before the start of gastro and liver, before the start of cardiovascular, before the start of renal. So few insights I need from you. And apart from that, the two things I don't want to merge, so I have kept it totally separate. I have kept it separate and differentiated it. So that will be better for you, and it will be customized and not mandatory. Those who want to brush up your knowledge, those who want to learn more about biochemistry, they can join the course, but it is not mandatory that each and everyone have to join because it is all of your choice, and it depends on your choice that how you want to go further. Yes, you can continue the next page.
Okay, so I just want to say these are the few topics which I'm showing right now, but I know that you all must be thinking that again there are two important topics, like there is enzyme, there is minerals, there is antioxidants again, which I have not mentioned here. So like I told you that this is a very basic structure which I have designed for 5-month course. In case you are interested in any other particular topic, maybe you want to know about the working of the different liver enzymes. Maybe you want to know that how the diabetic brain works, right? So if you are interested in that particular topic, just let me know. I will surely arrange or customize a class for you, right? Other than this. But this is a basic structure, this is a basic thing which I believe that every one who is in nutrition should know deeply and thoroughly. So that is why I thought of putting these particular topics here. And definitely not to forget the last one, that is the interrelation. That is the most important thing, I believe. That when you cover all the topics, the main question will be that how to interrelate them. Because when you design a diet, you don't only think about the process of lipogenesis or lipolysis. You don't only think about gluconeogenesis or glycolysis. You think it as a whole. So how to do that? How to reach that particular point? So for that, this last one is very important, the interrelation, right? Now just moving on to the enrollment details. We have planned to begin the class on 5th of August. And here there is a WhatsApp number. In case you're interested, in case you have a query, you can just send a message here. If required, just take a screenshot. Sabai jodi chao eta screenshot nahi rakhte paro, you can send me a message here. And the fees, I believe, I have kept very minimal for the students, so that everybody can access it.
It is very nominal for the students.
Very nominal.
Thinking for the students, we have kept it nominal. Yes.
Yes. So I have planned for 5 classes a month, and as per which the monthly fee will be 750. So at the time of enrollment, you have to pay the fees for the month of August, and you can join. Right? So if you are interested, just give me a message. Just send me a message in the number, in the WhatsApp number that is provided here.
100%.
If
Because
you have any
everything
queries,
cannot
then
be learned. I also agree with Vijaya ma'am. Everything cannot be learned in the webinar or in the seminars. Though we are attending each and every, Every day we are attending some webinars or seminars or whatever, but it is not possible. But still, today's webinar is not like a webinar, it is more like a class. So I enjoyed it thoroughly. It is a very nice. I really want to thank Vijaya ma'am. And this is the first time I am attending her class. Though we have an interaction from long back, but still, this is the first time I am attending her class. So I really enjoyed the class. And even I want to be your student if you allow me. So
Oh my God, my pleasure.
no, yes,
My pleasure.
because there is a no age for learning. At any age we can learn, we can share, or we can exchange. Even I am learning from my students. My dear students, I want to thank you that in the last 6 sessions of diabetic sessions, cystic fibrosis, type 1, MRDM, MODI, LADA, I have learned many things from you. So I really want to thank you
you
all.
so much.
So Cogniz is not a platform that it is a commercial platform. It is a platform to learn, to exchange your knowledge. And my motto is that the students, whenever you will be placed in the corporates or in the job world, so nobody can just underestimate you. My dream is that I don't want anyone to get humiliated, underestimated in the organization. You should be confident enough to deal with the organization, and you should be a little bit different from the other students. After everybody is doing their masters, everybody is doing their graduation, but when I have taken the interview in my last organization, I have taken more than 200 interviews in last 5 years, but I find there is a gap, Nija. There is a practical, practical gap. So they have scored 90%, 80% result from Calcutta University or different other university. But when I am asking them the basic questions on diabetes or whatever, so there is a gap. They cannot answer, because tomorrow you will have to counsel the patient. You will have to work in different institute, hospitals. So we need practical knowledge, and all the seniors who have attended my sessions agreed with me, all the chief dietitians of different hospitals, that yes, definitely Shomendu, and even the academicians. Many academicians are now linked with me from the Bakura Shambalani College or the Mednapur City College or the Calcutta University. Different teachers are there, even the Haldia Institute of Health Science. So all the teachers agreed with me that yes, obviously theory is much more different from the practical, but we need to have a strong theoretical background, then we can fight in the practical world. Yeah. So Vijay, any message you want to give for the students?
Yes, I believe that you all liked today's session. Even if you have learned one particular point, then I believe my session was successful for today. And it was wonderful to interact with you all. It was so interactive. I am looking forward to have a few more interactions in the near future.
Our students are really very good. Our students are really very good. I always praise my students. And obviously there is a Facebook link. You put your comments also there. So in that, obviously you are giving many comments to ma'am in the chat box. So thank you for that comments also.
Thank you so much.
I will share that link in your WhatsApp groups also. So kindly take 1 minute time and share your link, and what you want to learn from Vijaya ma'am, that also you put in that message. About today's session, you need to share your feedback, and what else you want to learn from this also share it, because even if Vijay তুমি যদি আজকে না আসতে আমিও হয়তো ভাবতে পারতাম না যে এইভাবে নিউট্রিশন কে আমরা কানেক্ট করব. So we are discussing this thing from long back, but I have never think that we will materialize this, we figure out these things. So thank you all, and
thank you so much. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Any questions from your side regarding?
Anybody is having any query?
Any query? We are with you for next 5 minutes. Any questions?
Yes.
কোনো question থাকলে বলতে পারো. This is open forum. You can ask anything not related the course also, related to this topic also you can ask. So I think there is no questions. Ma'am's number is there. You can connect.
Sir, everything was so clear. I never actually connected the theory part with practical like this. Like this was a whole new aspect. Like একটা পুরো নতুন একটা spectrum. এইভাবে যে বুঝলাম আজকে. Thank you so much.
ইয়েস স্যার
Glad that you
মানে
liked it.
আমরা স্যার
Yes,
একভাবে
ma'am.
বায়োকেমিস্ট্রি পড়েছি আর নিউট্রিশন আলাদা
সেই
পড়েছি বাট
গ্লাইকোলাইসিস
কিভাবে
glycolysis
মানে কিভাবে
করেছি
কিভাবে কানেক্টেড সেটা মানে
আজকে আমাদের সাথে
কলেজে
হেমা
এইসব তো বলাই
Sir.
হয় না আমাদের।
না না না
Actually, sir, after today's session, I can say that I am started loving biochemistry.
Oh my
Till
God,
now,
thank you so much.
Seriously, that's really true.
till
That's
now,
really
we people are just read actually biochemistry. We never loved it. Biochemistry.
marked up
Yeah,
biochemistry.
yeah. We
Yes,
marked
sir,
that
absolutely.
biochemistry is actually our that was a kind of fear. But after today's session, we started loving biochemistry. I think we started conquered the fear.
That's very good to know. So happy to know that.
This is actually our success, Vijaya. That students
Yes,
actually
yes, absolutely.
feedback, like Shinjini is not giving this feedback. Acha, one person is there, Mahfuza Munni. You want to ask any question? She is new to our platform. She has raised her hand.
Yes.
You তুমি কিছু question করতে চাইছো? You want to ask anything? If you want to ask, you can also text in this number. You can
Yes, in case you have any query, you can just text me in WhatsApp number as well.
WhatsApp number. Okay. So this is also very good that at the last, at the end, Shinjini, Pritha, Indrani, Paulami, whatever the message you have given, this is a lot to me. So we will touch with you.
I just want to add one more point. That is that it's a very little point, but I just want to add it as an example. That you said the muscle cell and the role of GLUT4 in exercise diabetes related topic.
Right.
That we people during practicing or during the whatever, whenever we encounter patients, we tell the patient to do exercise. Patients did exercise or whatever we actually whatever suggest the patient that to exercise. If patient go to the gym, then anybody can suggest that please do exercise. What is how we can specialize, what is our specialty, that is to make the patient understand how GLUT4 work and how actually the patient should
Absolutely.
how actually patient should emphasize the exercise and why we should emphasize exercise. If we can make the patient understand this way, then I think patient will never fail to do exercise. This is our plus point. That is our plus point as dietitian. We can advise patient as the layman people, but what is our specialty? That is to make the patient understand and why it is important.
Why it is important. And even after today, you can make your juniors, your seniors also understand about it.
Exactly, sir. Exactly.
So Rajeshi Vida, Rajeshi Menon, we have two students from outside West Bengal also, and they are very sincere. Yes,
Hello?
yes, Daddy. Yes.
Actually, Shomindu, what Shinjini wants to tell that as a dietitian, we are also counselor also, right? So we have to counsel our patient. So how better we can counsel by knowing all the knowledge that ma'am explained us. When we know this better, then only we can counsel our patient in that way, right? So this is a very good opportunity for everyone that everyone should grab
I
it.
agree with you, Gargi ma'am. Yes, I agree with you.
Exactly. আমরা যতটা ভালো করে বুঝবো নিজেরা ততটা ভালো করে বোঝাতে পারবো। পড়ে রেজাল্ট ভালো কিন্তু সবারই হয়ে যায় কারণ না কারণ, বাট কে কতটা বুঝলো সেটাই ম্যাটার করছে, যে আলটিমেটলি আমি কতটা বোঝাতে পারলাম। আর বোঝাতে পারাটাই আলটিমেটলি আমাদের ফিল্ডে ম্যাটার করছে, কিন্তু যে একজন পেশেন্টকে কনভিন্স করে আমি কতটা শোনাতে পারছি তবেই সেই পেশেন্টের ফার্দার উপকার হবে, আদারওয়াইজ কিন্তু হবে না। আদারওয়াইজ আমিও কিছু বলে দিলাম, পেশেন্টও এলো আবার চলেও গেল, ভুলেও গেল সে।
Very true. একদম ঠিক।
Yes.
Rajeshi Menon, are you there? Rajeshi and Vidha, I want to hear one line from you. How you like that class? Rajeshi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here. Hi, ma'am. I'm from Bangalore. Yeah.
Okay.
It was very nice, ma'am. Actually, I forgot about all the this.
She is detached with nutrition for more than 10 years, and she joined my course only to just brush up her knowledge. She has kids, and she was associated with some hospitals. She's actually, I think, Rajesh, you are Keralian, right?
Yeah, I'm from
Yeah,
Kerala.
she's-
Wonderful.
So that is a
So
nice.
it was very, very nice
Shakira,
session.
Shakira is also
So
there. Shakira is our student from Kerala.
thank
She is
you
also
so much. I'm looking forward to join the sessions.
Yes.
Sure. Most welcome.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
evening.
Yes. I could only join the session in between.
Shakira, I
I
will
was tied up.
video with you. It is a nice session. When you joined, I saw you when you joined. That was the end of the session. But obviously, you
Yes.
are attending all of our classes, and this is little bit different.
Yeah, I was tied up with my hospital responsibility. This was another webinar also. I was attending that. So that is why I could not join on time for this
Okay.
session. I could, I mean, like from the last part itself, I could understand that the session was very well planned. And I'm looking forward to attend more classes because brushing up of knowledge or updation of knowledge is definitely a must in our field. So then only we
Absolutely right.
To the video, Shakira, I will request you to take some time and to listen to the first portion of today's session. It was very interesting.
Okay, ma'am.
Relation between rice, wheat, our diabetes patient, exercise, antioxidant. The topics chosen by Vijaya ma'am was very interesting. Today's
Sir,
topic.
could you please share that recording
I
if
will
possible?
I will share.
Thank you,
You are
sir.
our old student. Acha. Then Vida, coming to Vida, you want to say anything?
Thank you, ma'am, once again.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I am Vida from Mumbai, and I really like this session. I appreciate the way you convey the message. Like it's very small difference between amylose and amylopectin, but from very basic, you made us know that it's really. I really like many answers I want to give, but due to circumstances, I could not speak because of my background voice. Very much voice is there. So, but I really like the session. I'm looking forward for the more classes and.
Sure. I'm glad that you
Just
like
Thank you
it.
so much, ma'am.
joined. I don't know why she has not joined today. Just now she
Hello?
has joined. Hema.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, Mafuza, tell me. Yes, bolun.
Hello.
Yes.
স্যার আমি বাংলাদেশ থেকে বলছি
আচ্ছা খুব আপনাকে ওয়েলকাম থ্যাংক ইউ ফর জয়নিং ফ্রম বাংলাদেশ বলুন
Thank you so much.
আমি একদম শেষ মুহূর্তে জয়েন করেছি
আমি দেখলাম আপনি আমার হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ নাম্বারটা নিয়ে নিন আমি চ্যাট বক্সে দিয়ে দিচ্ছি আপনি আমাকে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ করুন আমি আপনাকে ভিডিওটা পাঠিয়ে দেব হ্যাঁ এবং আমাদের অনেকগুলো ইউটিউবে নতুন নতুন নিউট্রিশন আপনি কিসে আছেন নিউট্রিশনে
স্যার আমি হচ্ছে অ্যাবাউট 7 ইয়ার্স পরে কামব্যাক করেছি আমার প্রফেশনে
আচ্ছা
তো আপনাদের এরকম আমি একটা হচ্ছে কিছু খুঁজছিলাম মানে বায়োকেমিস্ট্রি এতদিন পরে এসে এতদিন তো শুধু থিওরি পড়েছি আমি আমার যখন আমি প্র্যাকটিক্যালে নামলাম মানে আমি কোরিলেট করতে পারছি না
বুঝতে পেরেছি আমাদের একটা কোর্স আছে নিউট্রিশনাল মেডিকেল নিউট্রিশন থেরাপি along with এই কোর্সটা আমরা নতুন চালু করতে চলেছি দ্যাট ইজ বায়োকেমিস্ট্রি এন্ড নিউট্রিশন রিলেশন সো আপনি কি ফেসবুক থেকে পেয়েছেন আজকের লিংকটা
হ্যাঁ ফেসবুক থেকে
আপনি
পেয়েছি
ফেসবুক মেসেঞ্জারে আমাকে পিং করুন আর আমার নাম্বার চ্যাট বক্সে দিয়ে দিয়েছি সো ইউ ক্যান গেট মেনি পিপল আর লিঙ্কড উইথ মি ফ্রম বাংলাদেশ এন্ড স্পেশালি ঢাকা সো মানে বাংলাদেশ ইজ অলসো ভেরি মাচ এনরিচড উইথ নিউট্রিশনিস্ট এন্ড নিউট্রিশন প্রফেশনাল এবং অনেক সিনিয়র ডায়েটিশিয়ানের সাথে আমি যুক্তও আছি বাংলাদেশে সো আমি আপনাকে অনেক স্বাগত জানাই আমাদের প্ল্যাটফর্মে এবং আমাদের অনেক ফ্রি ক্লাসেস হয় নিউট্রিশন ক্লাসেস হয় সো আপনি রেকর্ডেড ভার্সন গুলো আমার ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে পেয়ে যাবেন আই উইল শেয়ার উইথ ইউ তো আপনাকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ জয়েন করার জন্য আর আপনি নাম্বারটা কাইন্ডলি নোট ডাউন করে নিন থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ এভরিবডি থ্যাংক ইউ এন্ড গুড নাইট
স্যার
বলুন আপনি কেন এখন why you have joined now
Yes, Emma.
Sir, I had so many works to do today.
You are a busy celebrity and whatever I can say is less for you. You are very busy personality and today's class was very enriching and I want feedback from you because you are already student of Vijaya ma'am. I think my first student who joined Vijaya Das.
Yes. Right.
So after today's session, whoever will join, I don't know, I am going to join. But Hema, you can share your feedback, how you are learning from Vijaya ma'am.
See, first of all, like ma'am is teaching in a very, ma'am is my like third teacher. I have taken like 2 tuitions prior for biochemistry, but इतना मैंने कभी नहीं सीखा है इतना डेप्थ में with basics. तो like ma'am has started to teach from basics and उस basic को पहले clarify किया है उसके बाद she have gone through whatever is in my syllabus. तो like till now everything is like excellent. मैं इतना दिन में जो नहीं समझी थी मैं अभी almost like जब मतलब अभी तक जितना हुआ है I am able to like
आपका
understand
तो
everything.
बायोकेमिस्ट्री पहले नहीं था आपका, अब तो होम साइंस का स्टूडेंट हो,
हाँ,
तो
yes,
इसलिए
yes, yes.
आपके लिए तो और बेसिक होना चाहिए.
Yes. So मैम जितना सिखा रही है like for a student like me and who have like chemistry, उनके लिए तो obviously मेरे से ज्यादा आसान होगा ही शायद, but for a student like me मैं इतना short time में like only maybe it's like 4 or 5 classes हुआ है हम लोगों का. Like मैम मुझे बहुत कुछ like मिला है knowledge from basic and also from my syllabus, and she is explaining in a very good way like with those online I mean pointer presentations या फिर she is following the IGNOU study material जो मैं फिलहाल मतलब पढ़ रही हूँ, तो उसमें से she used to teach everything और लेनिंजर वगैरह से भी मैम रिलेट करके मतलब पढ़ाती है. So if someone is interested, please you can join. You will never regret by doing her classes.
Thank you for your.
Thank you, Hema. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Hema. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, বলুন.
স্যার আপনাদের এখানে যে পেমেন্টের কথা বলা হয়েছে পার ক্লাস ফি, বাংলাদেশ থেকে আপনাদের ওখানে ফি গুলো কি?
তো আমার সাথে আপনি পার্সোনাল কানেক্ট করুন, I will try to help. হ্যাঁ, I will try to help. আমি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে আপনার সাথে পার্সোনালি কানেক্ট করে আমি চেষ্টা করছি আমরা কিভাবে করতে পারি. Okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you for joining.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Good night, everyone. Good night, everyone.
Good night. Next session we will have on Saturday our practice.